God for that. Amen, amen.
Grabe. How did, ano naman, the journey? So you said na tuwan-tuwa ako na sinabi ni Pastor Danny na Don, never mo siya siniraan sa mga anak nyo, sa mga in-laws. But now, syempre alam ng mga anak nyo what happened.
Mhm.
With your testimony, I'm sure they hear the stories. How did that affect them moving forward?
Of course, parang it was really quite surprising for them that we had to go through something like that. But what's important is really the lessons that we learned after, so that sila, when they have their own families, it's something that they will not do to their spouses. Kasi ngayon sila, like my eldest son, he is married already. So actually, hindi lang siya, lahat sila, they're actively serving in church. So kahit sila, ginagamit din sila ni God to really share about, what the life lessons from what we went through. Para sila din, they will be inspired also that if they have their own families, iba na ngayon. Kung ano na yung nakikita nila ngayon, yun na yung gagawin nila at hindi yung kami in the past.